It's been about a week since we posted the video about the loss of our truck, and we have been truly overwhelmed in the best possible way by the response. We were in such a state of shock when we did that first video. We were just really trying to take some pictures and get some video for insurance purposes. Some of the park employees were telling us that the tree removal was going to be our responsibility, and we were just trying to cover our bases, and we also needed some photos uploaded to the insurance. And then we really wanted to let our community know that this had happened and that there might be a pause in our travel.
And we never really imagined it would reach so many people. And so for that, we just want to say a huge thank you. And before we give all of our updates, let us introduce ourselves.
Yeah, for those of you that may just be joining our channel, we wanted to let you know a little bit about who we are and what we're doing. We're a retired couple from Middle Tennessee. We've lived here for a little over 10 years. We're originally from Arkansas, and we've lived in several different states. Mike's work took us around to a few different places over the 30 years of our marriage. And before we were married, Mike was actually in the service. He's an Army veteran, and we're really proud of that. And so a big shout out to our viewers who are our veterans or are currently serving. We appreciate you. We are the proud parents of 2 adult children, 4 beautiful grandchildren, and we've always loved travel. In the 30 years of our marriage, we've always talked about getting some type of an RV and traveling. It just needed to be the right moment. And so about 5 years ago is when we really kicked off our travel, when we purchased our truck and camper. And we spent the first year and a half, 2 years just making sure it was something we really wanted to do, and it was. And then we spent about 2.5 years full-time in the camper after we retired, just traveling all over the country, and we truly enjoyed it so much. And we've been taking a little bit of a pause recently because of some health issues that I had, but we were just getting back out there in the full swing of things when this happened.
Yeah, so for the update, to get you caught up, we are home, we are safe, and we are grateful. But getting home was a little bit of a logistical challenge.
It is, and we mentioned this just a little bit in the other video. Of course, we needed a truck to haul our camper back home. We were about 5 hours away from home, and so fortunately we have great friends and family. A friend of ours loaned us a truck, and our son-in-law was able to drive down with it to help us get the camper back home. It did take an extra day to get the tow truck arranged to come get our truck. Working with, again, when things happen on Sunday, it moves slow. Just getting the insurance to get the tow truck lined up and everything. And they were still saying that it was going to be not a total loss, but to take it to a collision center. But we were able to get that done, get the truck moved, get back home, and then just start the process of getting the rest of it taken care of. And so the insurance portion of it, which I know many of you have asked about, of course, it's always a little bit of a roller coaster with insurance. Again, because it was on a Sunday, we had trouble getting a person. We did get a person finally, and she was telling us that it looked like they were going to consider it not a total loss, that it was fixable. But even she was skeptical, but I guess they just have an algorithm that they go by, and because the airbags didn't deploy, of all things, they were questioning whether or not it could be totaled. So it took a while for them to come around to that it was actually a total loss and everything. But after we got back home, probably about 4 or 5 days later, we did get an actual adjuster assigned to us who, once that happened, things really started moving faster. Acknowledging the total loss and then getting everything set up. We had to send some overnight things to them and everything. So it took a few days, but probably about 2 weeks total. And we did get our payout. And while it won't ever bring back what we had, we felt like it was fair.
Yeah, so the question we have to ask ourselves is, do we even want to do this again? So we actually took some time and paused and talked to each other a lot about this over a couple of days, and the answer is yes, absolutely.
Yes.
It's not going to be exactly the same because after something so traumatic like that to us, but we started the process of looking for a new truck, and we're very, very close. I think we'll pull the trigger, and I'd like to show some updates on the next video.
Yeah, so we're very close to getting the truck replaced and getting back out there. We unfortunately had to cancel some of our immediate plans, which was a bummer, but we have a lot of plans coming up on the calendar. We have a 4-week trip up north planned for next month with the camper, and we're going to be trying out a couple of new things. We have an Anchor battery we've used for a few years, which we like, but we wanted to supplement it, so we bought a Honda gas generator, and we're going to be trying that out on that trip in July. We're going to be staying at more Harvest Host, a few more boondocking type places, and just seeing if we can extend that type of travel a little bit. We are retired, we are budget travelers, so we have to be mindful of how much things cost. We have to mix it up between different types of campgrounds in order to stay on the road longer. And so we're really excited about that. We do also have an international trip coming up August, September to a place that we have not been. So we will be excited to share that with you as well, 4 weeks in another country. And then also back in that camper for fall colors. We love fall colors, and we'll be right back out there for that in October as well. So we are not letting this stop us. The adventure continues, and we're going to be getting back out there on the road, and we want to take you guys with us.
So again, huge thank you for everyone for being part of this community.
We'll see you down the road.